Chair Ted Lieu.
Thank you, Chairman Aguilar. So Republicans have continued to attack health care. They passed a law and enacted policies to make health care more expensive. They made deep cuts to Medicaid. There's a $500 billion cut slated for Medicare, and the Affordable Care Act is going to dramatically increase because of Republicans' attacks on health care. Yesterday, a Gallup poll came out showing that this is now weighing on American people's minds in a very big way. Nearly half of the American people, 47%, believe they cannot afford health care next year. And then Gallup asked a second question about drug prices. And 1 in 5 Americans say they or one of their family members can no longer afford prescription drugs. That is the highest that survey has ever recorded since they asked that question. And so we're asking Donald Trump Republicans to get serious and work with Democrats on bringing down healthcare costs instead of increasing healthcare costs. And nothing Republicans are doing this week is going to help reduce the cost of healthcare. We also know that other costs are rising. And so they put out a statistic about consumer price index changes to groceries from January to September of this year. It shows that coffee increased 15.3%, ground beef increased 14.2%, and bananas increased 7.9%. So Trump's tariffs and the rubber stamp Republican House members are increasing costs at grocery stores as well. We recently saw that the Trump administration is going to lower tariffs on some grocery items. That is finally an acknowledgement that Donald Trump has been lying to American people all along. Tariffs, in fact, are not paid by foreign countries. They're paid by Americans. That's why grocery prices have gone up, and that's why they're going to continue to go up, because most tariffs are still on a lot of grocery items and a lot of products. We're asking Donald Trump to stop these tax increases on Americans and deal with affordability, which is at the top of Americans' minds.